Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of this Apple polishing cloth. So let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, on the right, you have a picture of the polishing cloth itself. On the top left, Apple polishing cloth. Nothing on the sides. Nothing on top. On the back of the box, you have the polishing cloth description in several languages. More information. Right up here, it tells you what the polishing cloth can be used with. And you have the barcode serial number, and down here the importer's information for Thailand, Vietnam and Malaysia. And on the bottom of the box, you have the tab to pull to open up the box itself. So let's do it. Okay, so once you open it up, nothing else inside, put it aside. And right here, we have the polishing cloth itself. It does feel quite nice. You have the Apple logo down here. Put it aside. And right here, we have what the cloth can be used with, again in several languages. Alright, so that's it for this unboxing video of the Apple polishing cloth. Thanks for watching and goodbye.